So Jatin, when you log in, this is somewhere you'll reach. And so you go there, click here and go to your partner profile. Once you go to your partner profile, it will look something like this. So this is mobile friendly, but I'll show you in web so that we have better real estate. Sorry. Then you go to coverage and pricing. Here I will assign you some kitchens. Right now this is a test of Patel supermarket. This is something I had created as a test, but I'll show you how it works. We'll just delete all the zones. So the idea here is that you set the zones, we will lock it, and the prices will automatically reflect in the kitchen's menu. Kitchen or grocery store, and I'll tell you which client is what accordingly. Then you can write the zone prices. So by default, when you select the Patel supermarket, you can see it here. I'll add 4 zones, 1 2 3 4. So it is giving me an error saying because you haven't told any space. So I'm just going to I can assign the zones from here itself. 1, and these are by FS code. Now you'll notice that the shape, this is some places getting too big, right? So I have a solution to that. I'll show you what we are doing for that. This is zone 1. Let's say this is zone 1. Now let's give this zone 2. But you need to have at least something selected for all zones to save. No, not zone. I'll just give this zone 3, so that way. And yeah, it creates this weird shape. Like you can see, this is a weird shape. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to deal with that. This is zone 4. North one is zone 4. You can see your save button has been enabled once you have zone 4. Let's give this zone 3 or zone 2, whatever you decide, but I'm just showing you an example. Now you can see that this is a very odd shape, like delta goes all the way till here. So in zone 1, when you go here, add radius. Now once you add radius, it will cap it to that radius, and outside the radius, then this option you add zone 2. So everything outside that radius has become zone 2. Of course, we don't want 3 kilometer radius. We want, let's say, 10 kilometers. The first 10 kilometers, because first Surrey area is good in this. So outside that radius is automatically zone 2, zone 1, and yeah, the same thing goes on. Now there will be some places where you will have to make duplicate zones. So basically what will happen, you might get a shape somewhere where you want to add and subtract, like maybe on the right side you want to send more and left side. So just make multiple zone with multiple price values. So the price values are set 0. So this is a $2 zone, this is a $3 zone, this is a $4 zone, this is a $5 zone, and yeah, this is a $2 zone. So now here it is showing you $2 zone, $3 zone. Okay, I'll work on the UI, but can just do this for all the kitchens. So what will happen is, on the long run, I'll also add drivers section and delivery section for you, and start building your profile where you can just track the drivers and everything here. And what will happen here is, from the customer payment itself, and for the kitchen, I'll do the math as to like what the meal price should be based on the prices that you set. So see, get used to the UI. Of course, this is as I said, this can be done with on your cell phone also. And yeah, and then don't forget to save it. So now it will save the changes, and this will reflect on the customer profile. Of course, if there's anything, message me.